Hi, I'm Kayden, and we are going to make fried rice except for using cauliflower instead of rice. So the ingredients you'll need is 1 carrot peeled, 2 eggs, 1 head of cauliflower, soy sauce, half of a white onion, salt and pepper, garlic, sesame oil, and regular oil. The tools you're going to use are a wooden spoon, a knife, paring knife, a cutting board, a wok, and a food processor. The first step is to wash your hands. The next thing we are going to do is to rice our cauliflower. You just want to take it out, and you're going to want to put some in your food processor. And now you're just going to want to pulse it until it looks like rice. This is what it should look like. Next, you're just going to want to add a splash of oil and put your pan on medium heat. While we are waiting for that to heat up, we can start chopping our onion. To chop our onion, we'll want to set it down on the flat side and then cut it in half again. Now we are going to cut rows, and then we'll dice that afterwards. Now that we are done chopping our onion, we can add our cauliflower rice. After we have added all the rice, we can flatten it out so it cooks more evenly. Now we're going to want to set a timer for 10 minutes to let that rice cook. When we wait for the rice to cook, we're going to cut our carrot and measure out our garlic. Now we are going to measure out 1 tablespoon of garlic and set that aside. Now we are going to crack 2 eggs into this bowl and scramble them for the rice mixture. Now our eggs are scrambled, and we can set that aside for later. After cracking the eggs, make sure to wash your hands. Okay, now that our timer has gone off, we can add our onions, carrots, and garlic. Now that we have that all stirred in, we're going to cook that for 5 minutes. While we wait for our mixture to cook, we're going to measure out 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and set that to the side. Now that that is done, we are going to put our mixture to the side of the pan and add the egg in. Now that your eggs are all scrambled, we're going to just add it all together. Now that we have that all mixed, we're going to add some pepper and some salt. And then mix that in. Now that we have all the salt and pepper mixed in, we're going to add our soy sauce and our sesame oil. and mix that. And then your cauliflower fried rice is all done. Bon appetit!